How's it going, people? As you can see, I'm sweating profusely. That's because I'm in my garage, and the reason why I'm in my garage is just because recently we had a baby, and me and my wife had a baby, and we can no longer go out as much. So I decided to make a small video or a different kind of video for my builds. This is my original Sea-Doo rack that I built about a year ago. As you can see, it's a little rusty and paint's coming off, and it doesn't look very good. So I'm getting ready to upgrade or change it the way this is set up. Normally, this is the cooler it sits in there, and it latches on like that. That's pretty much it. Then you got the fishing poles and fuel canisters and such. But cooler's still good, fuel tank's still good, everything's still good, but the actual rack, the rack is very rusty. I wanted to change it to aluminum. I can't, because I'm not very good at aluminum welding. So I'm not any good at any welding, but I'm a little bit better for steel. So we're gonna try to recreate this thing and try to hopefully make it a little bit better, and take you guys along the way so you can see what I do. Thanks. So this is it right here. Got a closer. See, there you go. There's some really bad rust right there, and try to clean it, but it just don't work. So here I bought a piece of I guess it's called C-channel. Bought it at Home Depot. So the reason I bought this piece is because it matches the shape of the actual insert here. So you can actually put your C-channel in here. I mean, you gotta do a little playing and actually match the shape, but it should in theory work. I already placed it in there and it fits. So yeah, we're gonna start cutting a piece. All right, let's do a little test. And you know what? I never said that I was an expert building crap, so you know what? Whatever. This is good enough for me. Okay, so here we go. Let's try it. Okay, much better. So since I want this stuff to be like really snug, I'm gonna grab my little pencil here. All right, so let's get to cutting. I just dropped my pencil. Let's grab something a little bit more permanent here. So it's supposed to be 14 and a quarter, some change like that. Yep, 14 and a quarter without measuring. Okay, now I need my, yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to use one of these because I don't have my, my squares anywhere. Oh, here we go. That'll do, pig. That'll do. All right, let's see here. All right. Do it. Here we go. And what is it? I just yeah, I got these. A bowling alley mechanic. For whatever reason, those that factory, they didn't like to like all these edges. I mean, as they will stamp cut the different parts for the machine, but they will not neither file them down, grind them down, or anything. So it was yeah, they were sharp. I used to get cut all the time. Sweet. So that's it for now. I know it wasn't much, but I'm not trying to make too long a video anyways. I'm gonna stop doing this because there's something else I want to do regarding this tube right here. Is going to be my new, this is my new water tank. I'm going to work on putting up some something to mount it to my car's roof rack, so that way I can have like water at pressure. I'll show you, that video will come out sometime later on. I just kind of did this backwards, but it'll come. I'll show you guys how's that done. All right, so peace out.